Success! NASA's Ingenuity helicopter flew on Mars. Ingenuity performed its first test flight on April 19th, reaching a height of 10 feet and staying airborne for nearly 40 seconds. It wasn't easy getting the 4-pound drone up in the air, though. Mars's atmosphere is only 1% as dense as Earth's, so keeping things light is key. On Mars, the rotors need to spin for 2,000 to 3,000 rotations per minute. On Earth, usually it's around 300 to 500 RPM. Mars is also freezing, getting as frigid as minus 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So to make everything work, it has to keep itself warm. Have you ever tried starting a car when it's minus 40 degrees out? Most of the solar-powered battery is used for heating the helicopter. With one flight down, Ingenuity will attempt to fly 4 more times. Ingenuity could pave the way for future drones in space, like the Dragonfly mission, planned to explore Saturn's moon Titan in 2027. They could be used to scout areas more quickly than rovers, or could even assist future astronauts present on Mars or beyond.